Welcome to the Adelicia, home to our newest luxury listing, a stunning corner unit at the top of the building. But before I take you there, I want to show you a little bit more about where you are. You are in Midtown Nashville, about 10 minutes west of downtown. The world-famous Music Row is one block over there, and Vanderbilt's campus is right around the corner. The Chef and I is a fantastic local restaurant and is right here in the ground floor of the building. We are surrounded by great local restaurants and shopping, including the always cute Hillsboro Village. The Adelicia is known for its stunning amenities, but I think this one might be the most special. This is Adelicia Park, a private park keyed and gated just for Adelicia residents. Welcome to Adelicia 1601. We are standing in over 1,800 square feet, surrounded entirely by floor-to-ceiling glass. The Adelicia is known for having large floor plans, and you can really feel it here. The depth of the living space allowed the owners plenty of room for this grand piano, dining area, and seating. But the space is also open and flexible enough to accommodate whatever you need. If you're looking at condominium living, you know that every square inch of space matters, and I love how these owners have made the most of it. They've installed over $13,000 in California closets, including right here in the pantry. The kitchen entertains so well with this 11-foot island, and you even have gas cooking, which can be so hard to find in a condo. All new lighting, including under cabinet lighting and art lighting, really help show off the space. The sellers installed electronic window treatments throughout the home and blackout treatments in the bedrooms. The primary bedroom has a spacious ensuite bath with a frameless glass shower and separate soaking tub. The walk-in closet has been custom built to maximize storage. Even the guest suite has flexibility. Use it as a full-time second bedroom or a private home office with a view. Please subscribe to our channel to hear more about this listing and stay up to date with all things Nashville luxury real estate. I hope you've enjoyed your tour.